for the Gen Z, I feel looks can be subjective, but in my opinion, this is one of the best looking cars in the segment, and it has a ton of features. So Gen Z is looking for connected features and all the new latest tech, so the car has it all. So that's why it makes a perfect car for the Gen Z.
I think the lighting looks really cool. Front LED headlights and that lighting strip at the back, that's my standout feature.
The design is actually wilder than before because of the way the DRLs are designed. So if you look at the car now, it looks more angry than before. So yeah, it is definitely wild.
Kia, movement that inspires.